Namaste students. Now we are going to see the topic Introduction of Scratch. In this introduction of Scratch interface and blocks in Scratch. These alone we are going to see now. Okay. So these are the objectives we are going to discuss. Scratch interface, types of blocks. Before we are going to discuss about, just we can recollect the topic. What is Scratch? What is mean by Scratch? Scratch is a programming application. It is a program application. It is a free visual programming language developed to simplify the process of creating program. So it is used to make in a simple form to process a program like animation, games, music, etc. So what is mean by Scratch? Scratch is an application program and it is used to simplify the process for creating more ideas in the programming languages. Okay. Programming languages, program. What do you mean by programming languages and program? Programming languages means it is a set of instruction. It is a set of instruction. It will be given under that block palette. Did you see under that blocks? No, it has some set of instruction. So that using that set of instruction we can create a language. Yes or no? Using that only you are going to do the program. So that is why that instruction is called as a programming language. Using that instruction you are going to do a program. So a set of instruction is called as a programming language to do an activity. Okay. For doing the activity. Program means, what is program? The sequence of instruction given to the computer is called program. The sequence of the instruction. So step by step instruction will be given in the program. Okay, that is called program. A step of instruction given to the computer. A step by step instruction will be given to the computer. That is called program. A program is saved as a project. That program will be saved as a project. Okay. So I think you have an idea what is a programming language and program. Okay. Programming language is a set of instruction. Program is a sequence of instruction. Step by step instruction. Okay. Next. So these are the Scratch interface. Scratch application program interface. See here. See, this is a sprites. See the down. See at the down. There is one cat. No, the cat we can call as a sprites. So see the blank page. Top of that, some blank page is white blank page is there. No, that area is called as a stage. So the sprite will work in that stage only. Perform in the stage. Then see the blocks. So there are more blocks are there. So we will call as a block palette. Okay. And under that each blocks will have so many instruction will be displayed like this. Under that block palette you can see so many instruction is there. No, it will be displayed like this. And in the left hand side a gray color page is there. No, a light gray color. So that area is called as a script area. What and all instruction we will drag and drop using that only. In that only we will write a script. Okay, for the program to perform the sprite, to make the sprite to perform. Okay, and see at the top one green color flag is there. No, that is represent to run the program. Okay, and red color circle is there. No, that is for stop the program. Okay, these are the interface of the Scratch. Next, stage script area. What do you mean by stage? Stage is the area where you can perform, where you can make the sprite to perform. Or in like a games or animation videos like that, you can make the sprite to perform. Next, script area. Script is a set of stepwise instructions. Script is a stepwise instruction that make the sprite to perform. Script area is a place where the script, all the instruction will be right in that script area. Okay, script is the set of instruction. That instruction will be drag and drop in that script area. In the script area only you are going to write the instruction. Okay, so script is also called a program. We can call a script is also called a program, and each instruction can be called as a command. Each instruction can be called as a command. Okay, script is a set of stepwise instruction that make the sprite to perform, and the script area is a place where to write the script, for the sprite. Okay, next, types of blocks. So these are the types of blocks. First, motion block, look block, sound block, pen block, data block, event block, control block, sensing block, operator block, more blocks. These are the types of blocks. Motion block, pen block. Motion block is used to move the sprite or turn the sprite, right? For that performance, motion block will be used. Pen block is used to make the sprite to draw the shapes, etc., etc. We can do any, and you can change the color of the pen. Okay, color of the pen. Then look block and sound block. Look block is used to change the look of the sprite, that is appearance of the sprite, you can change it. Then sound block is used to make the sprite to talk or give some musical notes. Okay, focus on words. Scratch, programming, program, blocks, interface, motion, look, pen, sound, event, application, stage, script, sprite, instruction, costume. So these are the words. Focus on it, try to read it with pronunciation and write it in your notes. Then I have some activity here. Try to do this. Write the types of blocks. Some questions I given, a normal question answer format. So write the types of blocks. What all the blocks is there? Write it. List it out. Define motion block and pen block. It should be in a one sentence formation. Motion block means what? The sprite will move one point to another point. That's it. Okay, like that you need to write. Define motion block and pen block. Define look block and sound block. Write any 3 instruction from motion, pen, look, sound block. Any 3 instruction from each block. Okay, find out the instruction is in which block. So I have given some 2 instruction. This is in which block? You're going to find it out. Identify that. Okay, so go through this video fully. Okay, go and do this activity. Thank you, students.